he's a strong person, but everybody has their breaking point, and I have to make sure that he's good before anything else. Okay guys, oh wait, my freaking music is on. So I feel like every time I'm in the car, or for the past 2 videos at least, I've been starting my vlog in the car. I'm on my way to my mom's house again, not to do anything that has to do with YMV, but I'm still on my way to my mom's house. I was supposed to go to Ulta and stuff like that, but I'm actually going to do all that tomorrow since Gary's off anyway tomorrow. I just don't feel like, first of all, I got a late start today. I did some stuff for YMV earlier today. I tried to get some stuff for YouTube done today. All of it didn't really work out. Yeah, my day has been in shambles, literally. So much stuff has been going on. Like, I've been trying to get so much shit done. About to hit a bump. I've been trying to get so much shit done with like YMV because the launch date is approaching. I don't have, like I said, I don't have exact date yet, but it's like end of July, early August that it's going to be launching. I'm actually taking it more serious than I did last time, so it's like I'm seeing like the actual work that you have to put in when like running your own business and like actually starting your own business. And it's hard, y'all. It's not easy. Like even something as simple as like product pictures, like that shit is hard. So if you haven't followed YMV on Instagram, make sure you follow them, because then you'll know the exact launch date. You'll be able to get coupon codes and every single thing. So if you want to have discounts, if you like saving money like me, like saving your coin like me, then definitely go follow YMV, because you will be getting the coupon code before anybody else does. Hey besties, so I just made it to my mom's house. Well, I haven't just made it because I've been sitting here for a while. We've just been talking and catching up and telling each other stories. She just bought a new kitchen set. She wants me to tell you guys that she bought herself a new kitchen set. She's talking about some, show you her kitchen set. I'm gonna show you guys her kitchen set. This is Sakina's kitchen set. She is so excited about this. She got this freaking picture as well. Let me see. And the wine at the bottom. She has her wine.
2 shots of vodka
at the bottom. And then she also has this plant over here that is really, really cute, and I'm taking inspo from my crib. But yeah guys, so I just, well, like I said, I didn't just get here, but we were sitting here catching up for a little bit. So I'm gonna sit here with my mom for a little bit. Then I have to go and pick up me and Gary's some food, and then I'll be heading back home. But I just wanted to get out the house for a little bit, so if something funny happens, I'll pick up my camera again. If not, and I'm not gonna show you guys my mom because she has on a scarf, but if she didn't have on her scarf, you could see her beautiful face. But I'm just gonna pop a picture in of her so then you know what she looks like, in case you see her in public. Say, hey, Sakina. Okay besties, so it is later on in the day, like really, really later on. It's like 9 o'clock. The last time I filmed that other clip, it had to be like 5 something, and I'm with you guys' favorite person.
Hey.
You're so extra. But yeah, I went and I stopped at Home Goods, which is not a good thing because you go into Home Goods for one thing and it's,
you come out with 10.
I didn't even know what I was going in there for. I just wanted to go in there because I was near it. So I'm like, let me just go in. You go in and you spend more than you wanted to. So yeah. I also went to Bath and Body Works, and I decided to go to Ulta instead of waiting, because remember earlier I told you guys that I wasn't gonna go, but I was like, you know what, I'm down here, might as well go. But now I'm on the bridge. I'm about to go back in the house. I picked up some Jamaican food and we're about to smash that. Okay guys, so we just got home and I just want to show you guys our food real fast. But we have some fish, rice and beans and cabbage, and then we also have some jerk chicken, rice and beans and cabbage. And I'm about to tear this food up, so I just wanted to make you guys hungry. When I'm editing this, I'm probably gonna be starving looking at this. So yeah, take it in, take it in, take it in. You ain't never seen no food this good. Hey besties, welcome back. It is the next day and we're on an excursion with my mom and my stepdad. We're going to Trader Joe's. That's how you can tell you're getting old, when the market excites you. So yes, we're going to Trader Joe's, and then we might do Home Goods again, because oh my god, I don't know why last time I went to Home Goods, I got some good shit.
Hey besties, we're back again, and here we go live into Trader Joe's to see what's going to be in there. You never know what you're going to find. Around every aisle there might be a surprise. So what we'll do is we'll check it out. What we find, we will share with you later on. Bye.
Gary. Gary. Alright, so we left Trader Joe's, but this is my snack. Gary, why you throw the last one in your mouth? So they couldn't see it.
Oh, good.
Gary, and this is Gary's snack. And then he's gonna try to throw one in his mouth.
It's just as healthy.
He's gonna try to throw it in his mouth so you guys couldn't see him eating it. But he literally just had a whole handful of these right here. How do you feel about that, babe?
They're good. Healthy. Fun.
They're not healthy. Okay, so besties, it's actually been a while since I've sat in front of the camera and actually filmed. I think it's been about like 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks now, whatever. And I just want to apologize to you guys for not uploading consistently. I know I told you guys that I would start uploading consistently, and I did start uploading consistently, but then you know, things started to happen, and it kind of just felt awkward to film. And with me and Gary, we don't like to force our content. We want to actually give you guys quality over quantity, and sometimes getting quality content is not so easy when you have things going on. So I wanted to come here and give you guys a couple updates, and then yeah, just let you guys know what has been going on and the reason why we haven't been uploading for about 2 weeks. And some people probably like 2 weeks, it's not long, but in the YouTube community 2 weeks is like literally 2 months. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a couple of updates just to let you guys know that we didn't forget about you and all that. So let's get started. So the first update is that I don't know if you guys saw in a couple videos ago. It was a while ago, probably like a couple months ago, I uploaded a video basically talking about, like, you know, doing my office over and stuff like that. And there's a room like in our basement. We have like a full big basement, and then there's like a storage area, and then there's another room. So I was gonna actually turn that room into my office because it has a bathroom in there with a shower, toilet, sink, and all that. So I was like, that'd be perfect for like if I'm shooting for like YMV or something like that, then the person would be able to just shoot down there and wouldn't have to walk all the way around my house. But later we decided that we just didn't want to do that, only because like there's no windows in that particular part of the basement. So there is a room, but there's no windows in the room. And you guys know, with me going through like my anxiety and stuff like that or whatever, I don't like to be closed off too much, and I feel as though like that's not healthy for me. So we decided to use Gary's office that's up here and just revamp it. So we're in the process of revamping that. I have to get a desktop. So yeah, we're gonna be updating that office, and then the room that I was going to turn into my office, we're gonna actually turn that into another guest room. We have a guest room down the hall from our room, but we decided to turn that into an extra guest room. So it's a lot of stuff going on in the house. Took a lot of our time, and it was just boring, so we don't want to film stuff like that or whatever. But yeah, that's some stuff that's going on, but that's really not the reason why we didn't film. So I'm gonna get into the reason of why we haven't been filming. For the past couple months, Gary has been having some personal things going on in his family. I'm not gonna get into too into depth. He's not like beefing with anybody in his family, like that's not the issue, but he's been having, you know, things going on that I personally don't feel comfortable discussing. And honestly, if he feels comfortable coming on camera and saying something about it, then he will, but for now I just don't feel comfortable saying it. He's been dealing with a lot, and it took a toll on him, honestly. Gary's energy has changed a lot in these past couple weeks, months, or whatever, while he's been dealing with the situation, and he's been very sad about it because he knew eventually the end result of the situation was going to hurt 10 times more than just going through it. And the end result happened recently, and he's been, you know, sad and stuff like that, and he's just been going through it, and he tries to put on a strong face. But if you guys knew the situation, I don't think you guys would be able to put on a strong face either. And he's a strong person, but everybody has their breaking point, and when you're dealing with a lot of stuff and you're dealing with something like this, like it's hard. It's hard to want to get up and film, and it's hard because YouTube wasn't something that Gary ever wanted to do, and it's not like he doesn't love it now. He doesn't love you guys now, but it wasn't in his cards. You know, with him growing up, YouTube wasn't even an option. YouTube never came across his mind. YouTube wasn't even a job. It wasn't nothing. So for him coming into this, it was all me and him supporting me, and then him growing to actually love you guys. But dealing with this his second time around, dealing with this particular situation his second time around, it's hard, and I've never dealt with something like this, so it's kind of hard for him to just get up and want to film one day when he's going through something or a loss like this, you know. So we've been taking it day by day, and I haven't even thought to pick up the camera, just because like I said, when you're going through something like that, like me personally, I wouldn't be able to do it. I don't see how he's able to get up every day and do the stuff that he does, because like I said, he's such a strong person, and to see him go through something, it kind of breaks my heart. And that's why I said, like, that's why we haven't been filming, just because like he hasn't been himself, because the build up to the end all of this situation took a toll on him, and I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna force him to get up and film, to put out content, because I want my channel to grow. Yes, I want to grow. Yes, I want to be in the millions with the subscribers and all that, or whatever, or the hundreds of thousands, you know, millions, whatever it is, with my subscribers. But that can happen eventually. But am I going to jeopardize him and how he feels and how he's dealing with situations to post? No. He comes first in any decision that I make, and he's more important to me than anything, because God forbid me losing this tomorrow, knock on wood, he'll still be here, and I have to make sure that he's good before anything else. And I didn't want to get on here and be like emotional and shit. You guys know me, I'm always emotional, crying, all that bull crap or whatever. But I just wanted to let you guys know that we didn't forget about you. We love our besties, and we love you guys so much, and we're coming back stronger. I actually pranked him yesterday, which was really funny, and he was really cool about it. Like but we're coming back stronger. Like I said, we are, like I told you guys before, back, and I am gonna be posting 3 times a week. I was gonna ask you guys to comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to daily vlog, because if you guys want me to daily vlog, I can post once a day. I will be in LA at the end of the month, which is really exciting to me because I love LA, and there's more stuff that we need to talk about, like our house and stuff like that, and how we're thinking about moving. I'm actually gonna be looking at maybe apartments in LA, because we talked about getting an apartment. Our end all goal is to all probably live in Jersey, or just live in like the East Coast, but where we live at right now, like I said, he owns the house, so we can't just like pack up and like move tomorrow. But we were talking about it too with that, so we were thinking about getting an apartment out LA and keeping our home here, or moving somewhere else in Jersey but still getting an apartment in LA. So it's a lot of stuff going on. Also guys, I will be at BeautyCon this year. I'm excited about that too. I've never been to BeautyCon before, and it's gonna be my first one I've ever gone to. I had wanted to go to the New York one a couple years ago, but I just never made it a point to go. But I will be at BeautyCon LA both days, which I'm really excited. But I do get into LA, I think the Friday before BeautyCon. So I get into LA. So if anybody knows any of my besties want to link up, hit me up on Instagram. If you live in LA, you want to link up, let's do it. Yeah, but like I said, we're gonna be posting 3 times out of a week. I'm sorry my boobs look freaking huge. That's another thing that I'm going to deal with. I'm actually looking for a doctor out LA to be doing my breast reduction too. So it's just, y'all, it's a lot going on, but I'm excited to bring you guys on this journey and everything. I love you guys so much. I don't want to ramble too much. I've already been rambling for 12 minutes, so I'm definitely going to chop this down. But thank you guys for still supporting us. And I saw that we have a lot of new besties that subscribe to our channel, so welcome. Hopefully you'll stay. Hopefully you'll be a bestie forever. Love you guys so much. It's been real, and I'll see you guys in my next video. My next video will be a prank, so stay tuned for that too. I love you guys so much.